Hi everyone and welcome back to another one of my video. We are finally here on Project Brutus part 4. If you go look the previous part 1, 2 and 3, you will see how I got to do this little beauty here. Right now it's protected with the with the tape, so I'm not gonna scratch the front of it because it's nice and shiny. So previously, I was thinking of gluing these up with quickset resin. That syringe thing that you can buy from the big box stores, and color it into gold. But I ended up using the glue gun, and it worked to my surprise extremely well. And I ended up gluing everything up with the glue gun, and it's really sturdy. It's not moving. It did what it was supposed to. So even for the decoration, I will continue with glue. This is gold glue for the glue gun. Uh, they say they use it in doing stamps with it, and I hope it's gonna turn out well. Don't know yet how that is going to go, so stay with me and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay guys, here we are, Project Brutus on the finish line. Here it is, with all the tools of the trade. Round, round, round we go, gently down the street. Here it is. So what I did is that I took these magnets and I glued them on. Okay, you trace the space and then you sandpaper behind, and then I put it on with glue. And because the magnet is really strong and I don't want the knife to be damaged or to pull it off of the piece, I put these little rubber shoes here that you can buy in the dollar store. They're made for the furniture, so it doesn't slam. And they put a little bit of space between the knife and the magnet. The knife doesn't get scratched, and the pull force is just right to hold the knife in place. Here it is, the collection so far. Love this guy, this one here. This one's just for training to sharpen the knives. So this is so far what I did. And also on the inside we have the DeWalt battery. Okay, so I just hit one of the knives and the magnet caught it. It didn't let it fall all the way down, otherwise it would have made a hole in my leg, which is not so good. So the DeWalt 20 volt, and then I got this cool adapter from Amazon, and the adapter has USB-C, USB, and on this side it has a 12 volt outlet. And I also got a 16-foot white light LED that sticks. It has self-adhesive. I'm gonna reinforce it with some glue later on. And from the electric shop I got 2 of these connectors and a piece of wire. And when I put the connector in there, it lights up, and we have backlighting for the piece. I also have another one, another LED string that is it can change the color, and it can go up and down and whatnot. So here it is, Project Brutus, my knife holder. I love it. This was supposed to be opaly, but it came out more moonstone than opal, or we could say that it's quartz, transparent marble, something like that. And we have the blue onyx. I nailed that one. Love it. So this is it, folks. Thank you very much for coming with me on this journey. Things that I learned is that I'm not that good in in cutting stuff. So fabrication is not one of my strong points yet, but I'll get there. Not in a hurry. Okay, if I want to cut this again, I would not put a bevel on the top and bottom. I would leave it at 90 degrees. I would only put the 22.5 on the sides. And I would probably do that with my with my circular saw instead of the big saw, because I found out today that I have way more control over the circular saw than I had over the miter saw. And also the top and bottom, I didn't get to do them the way I wanted them to be, but I still like them. And like I said previous, I used a lot of hot glue both on the inside and on the outside. I also have a lid, but it's because it's not perfectly symmetric, it doesn't get in there just right. So for now I'm not using the lid. Probably I will modify it later on to sit flush. But for now, this is it. Once again, remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.